In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature in DocHub. To get started, head over to the DocHub dashboard. This is where you'll see your available files and can quickly jump into the document you want to work on. Once you're there, click on your document to open it. After the document loads, look for the Sign option and click it. This is the tool you'll use to create and place your signature. From the menu that appears, select Create Your Signature. This opens the Signature Setup window, where DocHub gives you a few different ways to make your signature depending on what's most convenient for you. You can choose from phone, draw, upload, image, or type. If you already have a clean image of your signature, uploading it can be the fastest option. If you want a more handwritten look, drawing it may be better, and if you want something quick and simple, the type option works well too. If you decide to use type, go ahead and choose from the available style options. These choices let you pick the version that looks best for your document. Take a moment here, because this is the appearance that will represent your signature. Once you're happy with it, click Save as Default. That's a helpful step because it stores your signature for future use, so you won't have to recreate it every time you sign a document in DocHub. Next, click on Sign again. You should now see the signature you just created available in the signing options. From there, drag and drop the created signature directly onto the document. Position it in the correct signature area and adjust the placement as needed so it fits neatly and looks professional. And that's it. You've successfully added your signature in DocHub, and with your default signature saved, signing future documents will be even faster.